Very good morning, children. Today we will study about mode. In class 10th, you might have studied about mode, but now today we will do it by grouping method. Now, for grouping method, first we have noted down the question. Now you see the question that we have got wages, which is in the form of class interval, and number of workers, which is in the form of frequency. So where we have written number of workers, I have made it as column number 1. For grouping method, there are 6 columns to be made. Now how these columns are to be filled, listen carefully. The number of workers are given to you. This is frequency given in the question, that is your first column. Now for second column, we will add in pair of 2 from top. If any number remains at last, let it be. So for second column, we will do the pair from top of 2 numbers and we will add it. See, I have added the number of a pair of 2 from top, that is 3 and 7 one pair. The sum total is 10. 15 and 30 second pair, the sum total is 45. 20 and 30 another pair, the sum total is 30. The remaining 5, it has to be remained as it is. So our second column is completed. Now for moving on to the third column, what we will do, we will leave the top number. It means we will leave number 3 and then we will start making pair of 2. Okay, leaving 3, the top number, we will start making the pair of 2. Now you can see clearly, for third column, I left 3. And for more clarity, kindly go to the loops which I am making. So for third column, you can see I left 3. Now 7, 15, 30, 20 and 10, 5. These are the pairs. And the sum total of 15, 7 is 22, 30, 20 is 50 and 10, 5 is 15. So our third column is completed. Now for moving on to the fourth column, see what we have to do. We will start making pair of 3 from top as we made for 2. So we will start making pair of 3 from top and go to the loops. Now you can see clearly here that in fourth column we have made the pair of 3, 7, 15, 30, 20, 10. The last 5 is remained. So that is how our fourth column has been completed. For fifth column, जैसा हमने सेकंड कॉलम में किया था, पहला नंबर छोड़ के फिर 2-2 की पेयर की थी, अगेन वी विल डू द सेम. पहला नंबर छोड़ेंगे मगर अब 3-3 की पेयर करेंगे. अंडरस्टूड? Now see, I left number 3 and then what I did, 7, 15, 30. The sum is 52. And then 20, 10 and 5. The sum is 35. So after leaving first number, we have made the pair of 3. 2 के पेयर हमने 2 बार किए थे, 3 के पेयर हम 3 बार करेंगे. अब जब थर्ड बार 3 का पेयर करेंगे तो पहले के 2 नंबर हम ओमिट कर देंगे. मतलब 3 भी ओमिट कर देंगे और 7 भी ओमिट कर देंगे और फिर हम 3-3 के पेयर करेंगे. अगर 1 बनता है तो 1, 2 बनते हैं तो 2, वॉट एवर. सो हियर वॉट वी आर डूइंग, वी आर ओमिटिंग 3 and 7, first top 2 numbers, and then we will make the pair of 3. Now for this question, there is only one loop possible, that is 15, 30 and 20. Now I am repeating again. We have got the question wages and number of workers. So the number of workers which is written here is our column 1. It will remain as it is. For second column, we started making pair of 2 from top. You can see the loop. For third column, leaving top number, we have made the pair of 2. See the loop. अब ये 2 वाला काम खत्म. Now we will start making pair of 3 from top. 3, 7, 15, 30, 20, 10, like that. For fifth column, what we did, we omit top frequency, that is 3, and started making pair of 3. For sixth column, top 2 frequencies we have omitted and then we have made the loop of 3. So with this loop, you can clearly understand. Now what next is, we will mark the highest number in each column. Now you can see I have marked the highest numbers in each column. In first column, the highest number is 30. Second column, the highest number is 45. Third column, the highest number is 50. Fourth column, the highest number is 60. Fifth column, the highest number is 52. And sixth column, the one only 65, that is the highest number. We know the formula of mode which is already written. Now one more tabulation we have to make. अब उसमें हम क्या करेंगे, जो वेजेस हमको वर्टिकल कॉलम में दी है इसको हम हॉरिजॉन्टल में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे, और जो हॉरिजॉन्टल कॉलम है इसको हम वर्टिकल कॉलम में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. सी हाउ इट विल बी डन. See, that is how it will be made. So 0 to 5, 5 to 10, that I have made horizontal, and the columns which on the upper side it is horizontal, I have made it vertical. अब हमें क्या करना है कि कॉलम फर्स्ट में देखना है मैक्सिमम नंबर जो 30 है वो कहाँ लाई करता है. वो लाई करता है क्लास इंटरवल 15 to 20 के बीच में. सी, दो कॉलम के मैंने टिक लगाए हैं. पहले कॉलम में हाईएस्ट नंबर 30 है जो कि क्लास इंटरवल 15 to 20 के बीच में लाई करता है. यू कैन सी. सेकेंड कॉलम में हाईएस्ट नंबर है 45. अब ये 45 किन दो नंबर्स को जोड़कर बनाए, जो 10 to 15 और 15 to 20 में थे. तो 10 to 15 और 15 to 20 दोनों में मैंने टिक कर दिया. नाउ वी विल गो टू थर्ड कॉलम. सी, फॉर ऑल 6 कॉलम आई हैव मेड. अब हम चलें थर्ड कॉलम में. तो थर्ड कॉलम का हाईएस्ट नंबर है 50. ये किन दो क्लास इंटरवल को लाई करता है, 15 to 20 एंड 20 to 55, 20 to 25. तो 15 to 20 और 20 to 25 पे हमने टिक कर दिया. फोर्थ कॉलम में चलेंगे तो फोर्थ कॉलम में 60 हाईएस्ट नंबर है, जो अब यहाँ से 3 का पेयर किया था तो 3 क्लास इंटरवल आएंगी. 15 से 20, 20 से 25, 25 से 30, 15 20, 20 25, 25 30. So in fourth column I have take 15 20, 20 25 and 25 30. Fifth column you can see the highest number is 52. It lies in 3 class intervals, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. And in sixth column 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. I hope it is clear how I have made the tick. See, I added all the ticks. So where I have got the maximum tick is in the class interval 15 to 20. You can see clearly. So 15 to 20 is our model class. So you can see that 15 to 20 has become our model class. तो जो 15 to 20 के ऑपोजिट में फ्रीक्वेंसी है इन कॉलम 1, दैट विल बी आवर F1. उसके ऊपर वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी F0 और उसके नीचे वाली फ्रीक्वेंसी F2. यू कैन सी दैट F0, F1 and F2. 15 to 20 has got our model class, maximum number of 6. Now against 15 to 20, 30 is there. 30 is our F1, 15 जो ऊपर वाली वो F0 और 20 F2 हो गई. नाउ नथिंग वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू डू इट, कीप इट इनटू द फॉर्मूला. फॉर्मूले में जो L1 है वो लोअर लिमिट ऑफ क्लास इंटरवल आ जाएगी, दैट इज 15 इन दिस क्वेश्चन. एंड I है, I मतलब क्लास साइज. तो हमारा जो क्लास साइज है वो 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, ये 5 का है. सो I विल बी 5. So it can be written as like this: L1 15 plus F1 minus F0, that is 30 minus 15 upon 2 F1, 230, 2 into 30 minus 15 minus 20 and then into 5. Now with simple algebraic operations, 30 minus 15, it will be 15 upon 2 into 30 is 60 minus 15, that is 45 minus 20, it is 25 into 5. Applying the BODMAS rule, first we will multiply. So 5 से cancellation हो गया, 15 plus 3 18. So 18 is our modal value. You can see our model class is 15 to 20 and mode value is 18. So whatever is our model class, answer should come in that category. So this is known as grouping method for calculating mode. I hope it is clear the question. You can try, you can solve some more questions, any problem, your queries are always accepted. If there would be, instead of class interval, direct number होते 5, 10, 15, 20, then we need not to apply the formula. जो हमारी मॉडल क्लास आती वही हमारा आंसर होता. So try and solve some questions and let me know if you face any problem. Thank you.